Are you not sure how to do something on your iPhone, iPad, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air computer? If so, then look at GIT. Get into technology, as we are here to help you take all the guesswork out and show you step by step through video tutorial courses that take you by the hand and show you how to solve your most pressing questions. We help you by showing you in our video tutorials how you can easily accomplish anything that is troubling you. We are excited to help you move forward with a great experience that you will come to love using your devices.